Here's a rototiller, Honda rototiller FR700, which I picked up recently, and it's missing a few parts. I already ordered those parts. It's missing a carburetor and the intake assembly, and also missing the pull cord mechanism. I also see a few leaking seals on it. I will be fixing everything. I will inspect everything so that everything's in a good working order. It's a good tiller. Some of the parts are unavailable from the manufacturer, so I might have to make some of the things off my own. So I'm trying to remove the tines on the secondary transmission. So to remove the tines out, you have to remove these 3 bolts and remove this casing off. The other side of the casing is already removed. This one I will remove. I try to heat the nut that's welded on inside so that I don't break these bolts inside. I'm trying to reduce my work by not breaking anything, so I'm gonna heat the inside and then remove with the impact gun. So the pull cord for the Honda G300 was hard to find. I couldn't really find it anywhere for a decent price, so I ended up finding something else which was a little bit smaller for a different engine probably. But this is what I ended up doing: drilling brand new holes and then mounting this piece on here. This is a new pull cord, so we'll see if it works now. It looks like everything is clear, nothing is touching anywhere. Hopefully it will work. So something is touching. We'll have to grind, I think, these washers, or maybe move them up a little. I think this is the washer that was the closest, and this is the one that's touching. Let's see if still something is touching. Well, the switch didn't work, so it goes in garbage. We'll just use something else, a toggle switch or a switch from an outboard. I'll see what I have in my toolbox, or we'll just buy something off of Amazon, something cheap. So for now, microwave switch is what I have, and this is what I will try to use. So the common side will be grounded onto this frame here. We'll hold it with a zip tie, so I bent one of the terminals up so that this the zip tie doesn't slide out. We'll tighten it up here and we'll see if it works. It should work. So I crimped on a terminal on this side, so we'll slide it on. So this switch is a normally open switch, so when we close it manually, it should ground the circuit and not let the engine run. So let's see if it works. We'll zip tie everything after, I mean the cable in place. So I bought this universal throttle cable, which is 53 inches to 56 inches. This is what it looks like. I will be mounting it here on the side. So on the other end of the throttle cable, so it's just this bare cable here. So to hold it in this place, I drilled out one of these metal crimpers to the size of the wire of the conduit, crimped it on, and then that piece I crimped on in here as well so that it won't move back and forth. So I straightened out this piece of wire that's coming out of the conduit and crimped on two more crimps on it, metal crimps on each side. So this is how it works now.